y'all, welcome back to E with Dawn. How's the Foodie Fam out there doing it? Y'all, I hope y'all having a marvelous day. Y'all know I am, and you know what I say. Any day above and under is a blessed day, and you know we having a good time over here. I got my daughter and her boyfriend in the back, and he is hilarious back there doing all kinds of stuff. He look, I don't even want to tell you what he look like back there. Okay, Quentin? Oh shoot, let me tell you what we having. We having buffalo chicken pizza from Domino's. And I had some Cheetos over there. I just had it and I felt like I wanted it, so there you go. Ranch sauce. Because Shoshana ain't picked up none of what she was supposed to come with. But let's taste this pizza, y'all. Did they slice this thing? I hear footsteps and the dogs are barking. Lord have mercy. So what's going on, Quentin? Just a minute ago he was back there, y'all. Oh, what the hell? Why am I struggling to open this?
Thumbnail.
Oh.
It's okay.
Cause I did back there. I need something.
You missing a piece though.
I know. I'm trying to miss it. She like. Hold on. He like, give it here, give it here. Oh. How was the pizza, y'all?
Good.
Mm-hmm. It's good?
Domino's.
Domino's, baby. Y'all, I need me a Coke. I've been away from it long enough. Y'all know, see? Mm-hmm. I miss that. Ooh. Excuse the little piggy over here. But yes, I miss that. So what you say going on with the Lakers, Quentin?
Oh God, LeBron talk.
We talking sports today, y'all.
No, we talking LeBron.
Oh Lord.
Well,
We talking LeBron.
the Lakers are out the playoffs.
They out?
They're out the playoffs.
You knew
Oh
that.
wow.
You knew that was gonna happen.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
What, he didn't want them to make the playoffs?
He wanted them to make the playoffs, of course. That's his team.
So what? Yes, sir.
You dunk it in there?
Oh. Ooh, ooh. The meat be coming off with it, child. Down in that sauce. Okay, get back to the game now.
He's distracted watching me eat that goodness.
Well, they're out the playoffs, so
You sad?
I'm trying to see what they're gonna do next year. We gotta pick up another superstar.
If you gotta pick
Who you want,
rooting
right?
for on the playoffs, who you rooting for?
First of all, who made the playoffs?
A lot of teams made the playoffs. 8 teams.
Oh, okay.
Well, if I want to see a player go to the Lakers, I want to see Anthony Davis from Chicago.
Okay.
No.
Mm.
Yes.
That's not what I said. I said, if you have to pick a team that's going to the playoffs, who you picking? Who you think gonna win? Who you going with?
Toronto Raptors.
Kyra said Golden State. Are they in the playoffs?
Watch your mouth. Yeah, they're in the playoffs.
Oh, okay.
We know.
Will you be watching basketball, John? Oh, wow. I didn't know that. This piece is good. Domino's.
No. That's the way to put in order. I don't know what he be doing. Remember I tried to copy it one time?
Mm-hmm.
And it came out kind of...
You ordered that flat crust business.
That's what I said. I don't know what he be doing.
We look like, what is it? And then she didn't order one, she ordered two.
Wow.
So it was like,
When they say thin crust, it's really be thin crust. Yeah, they like
It do like no.
cardboard.
I don't want that.
Your boo said, hey.
Who was that?
Ramon.
Hey, Ramon, baby. How you doing, honey?
Get that Ramon to watch this video.
Ramon, that's my boo.
Oh, you his boo too.
Oh, wow. Y'all, there's a lot of happiness on set today. On set. Y'all hear that?
I'm alright. You got a new producer in the house.
Ooh. Have mercy. That's what a Coke does.
You and Quinn should do the Burping challenge.
For real?
I can't. Yeah, I can.
Yeah, don't.
For real?
Give me a Sprite though.
It's actually a Sprite downstairs.
Sprite. But I need a Sprite from McDonald's.
Really? You don't believe.
He sound like Mika.
Don't that make you burn for real? That burn your chest.
That's how Mika be. Same shit she be saying. Gotta get it from here. Gotta get it from there. What?
Look at them. Look at them lunch.
Oh no, I saw it.
Sean, what you been up to all day?
Lifting.
She been lifting. She been hustling. She a hustler.
I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler.
Oh,
Everybody know work is always gossip work.
Let's talk about traveling.
Oh yes.
How about traveling? How about that?
Trap.
What about traveling?
Me and y'all already know me and Bay going to St. Louis.
What are you gonna talk
It's already done. I've been setting in the labs.
No, but I want to go to Toronto.
You want to go to
Yeah,
Toronto?
I heard Canada is expensive. That's what I heard.
Yeah, it's also beautiful.
No, I heard. I want to go to Canada.
It's also,
You want Niagara Falls or something?
I want to see all the nature beauties of this earth. I want to go to Alaska, see the lights.
My sister went over there and she said,
Really?
she said it's a lot of snow.
Right now in Chicago.
No.
We need to deal with this.
No.
I'm gonna get you an igloo.
I don't want to eat with baby.
Wait, you want an igloo? I'm gonna give you the final thing.
I want to go to Africa.
I'm gonna give you the final thing.
I want to go to Dubai. Y'all know I want to go to Legos though, for real.
What's that?
Ain't nobody know you want to go to Legos.
What you mean?
Nobody want to go to Legos.
Legos is that place in Africa. I want to go there.
I want to go to Africa too.
You do?
I want to ride an elephant. What?
And he also want to play with a tiger.
Play with a tiger?
I wanna go to. No, I ain't never said that.
He watches those videos with the animals and stuff. He's like really in tune with the animals. For real.
Oh, wow.
You go through his YouTube, yup. That and basketball.
I told you before I turn 30, I want to travel all states. Before I turn 30. Well, no, I want to say 50.
50?
Before I get old. Let's say that. Before I get old.
It's not hard to travel all states before you turn 50.
Well, I think you need to start with the ones surrounding you, like Ohio, Wisconsin. I'm
gonna work my way out, then work my way in. Cause you know these states are boring.
They are? Who said so?
What's doing in Ohio? Let me know.
What's in Ohio?
Your whole team used to be in Ohio. You used to want to go to Ohio.
No, Ohio, Iowa. What's in Iowa?
Yeah, was LeBron used to be there?
No, that's Ohio.
That's Ohio?
Ain't no team playing for Iowa.
Oh, really?
Only college.
Y'all ain't no basketball girl. I only used to watch the Bulls when Jordan used to play.
Mama, stop
And Pippen.
telling your age.
and Pippin and Kerr and all them. After Jordan stopped playing shoot, I stopped watching.
Talking about
Yeah, this pizza was
traveling.
good.
He's supposed to be doing some traveling too.
Who?
Dion. He talking about he want to do some traveling. He doing some traveling this year. Where you going? Where you going?
Vegas.
Oh, okay.
Vegas. Who you going with?
Kaylon and T.
The guys.
Men traveling by themselves to Vegas?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
He turned 21.
Really?
I gotta supervise, man.
You got to supervise?
Yeah.
Who gonna supervise you?
I don't need to supervise. I don't drink. They get drunk. I don't drink.
Now, that ain't only drinking that to be done up there.
I know.
Down there, wherever.
I know.
You going to Vegas?
And we supposed to be going to LA, ain't that right, boo?
Yeah.
That was real dry.
No, it wasn't. I said, yeah.
Oh, well. Car, where we going?
Wisconsin.
Where we going?
What you mean?
This
I'm going to St. Louis.
Oh, we going to Colorado.
Oh, I want to go.
Oh, we going to Colorado?
You can't go.
Why can't I go to Colorado? I want to see mountains.
I didn't know that.
Who you go?
It's for the
What you doing?
You
bitch.
go vlog that.
You know, I go by myself.
You going by yourself to Vegas?
No. I'd rather go to Colorado than Vegas. You know I love nature.
Okay, I'm gonna make that trip for May 1st.
Don't any snakes around there?
Wow.
Colorado.
Hell if I know.
Not really. Not really.
I ain't fooling with no snakes.
They
Chocolate.
should have told us that they got a cave, like they carved out a cave or something. You could like drive through it and see.
I want to see that.
I want you to
I
know.
don't.
And the kissing camels. You heard that?
Yep. We want to see camels.
Child.
Not little.
I just want to hike a mountain. Not just hike a mountain.
You're on your own with that baby.
Why?
No, y'all going there.
Alright, that looks fun. Hiking.
Who about to hike? I ain't going up there.
I'll save you from avalanche.
No, I'm good. You gonna save yourself?
What's wrong with hiking?
She play well.
She don't like
I do
insects.
Huh?
She don't like insects.
That too. That's a big problem. Big problem.
Y'all, she just like her mama.
After so far in, I'm like, let me go now. Don't you see enough?
Yeah, how much slice of pizza I ate?
All of them. 5.
Dang.
What you do about work?
Yeah. I ate a lot.
I found out years ago that down south we got different ants than we got ants. They ants are way different.
They bugs are.
I had to learn that for putting my feet on the grass.
Oh, wow. Y'all have a good one. Bye.